Tonight, we begin with an incredible story of faith about a Catholic surgeon turned North Carolina congressman. Dr. Greg Murphy was elected to fill the seat of pro-life Congressman Walter Jones after his death in 2019. Congressman Murphy tells me his Catholic faith has shaped his life's work as he takes a hands-on approach to helping others around the globe.
I have a key to the rest of the world. I'm blessed. It's a scalpel.
North Carolina Congressman Dr. Greg Murphy is a surgeon who specializes in urology.
No matter what color of the skin, when we cut open, we all bleed. We're all the same inside, and we all bleed the same red blood. And so it's a way to reach other people.
At age 20, Dr. Murphy tells me his Catholic faith was challenged when he lost his father to a prolonged illness. And after praying for guidance on what to do with his life, he went to India by himself as a medical missionary.
Spent 3 months in a leprosy hospital. I actually met Mother Teresa just very briefly during that journey, literally just shaking her hand. But you know, when you meet a saint, it hits you as an experience that is otherworldly.
He has worked on humanitarian missions ever since, helping others in Africa, Nicaragua, and in 2010 in Haiti.
Right after the earthquake, I was literally like a caged animal, seeing it on television. I just felt that God was moving me to go there.
In Haiti, he worked alongside his wife, Wendy, a registered nurse, plus 17 other physicians and nurses.
It smelled of death. When we got there were still, hundreds of people on the road dead.
The group performed surgeries and saved lives in a Catholic pediatric hospital, joined by a local priest, Father Rick Frechette. Father Frechette became a physician to serve the people of Haiti.
It's been wonderful to work with him. We've been trying to set up another visit here while I'm a member of Congress, but unfortunately with COVID and with the very unstable situation in Haiti, he's kind of said, hold off, Greg, hold off for that for right now.
They both say knowing the people of Haiti has taught them so much about living for the Lord.
They have nothing, and they are happy, and they are faithful Christian people. They live such authentic lives, and you turn and look at how we live and what all we take for granted and our freedom in this country, and it changes you.
Congressman Murphy and his wife tell me that they are focused on doing God's work to the best of their ability.